In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a robust AI program using Lovable AI, a powerful platform that simplifies the process of integrating artificial intelligence into your projects. We'll go through each step meticulously to ensure you have a complete understanding of the process and build confidence using these tools. To start off, you'll want to create a new project within Lovable AI. This is essentially the foundation for everything you're going to be working on. Begin by logging into your Lovable AI account. Once inside, you'll see an option to start a new project. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to define the goals of your program. This is crucial. Having clear objectives will guide your entire project, so take some time to think about what you want your program to achieve. Be specific about the features, functionalities, and solutions you're aiming to provide. Once your goals are set, the next step is to incorporate the necessary AI features using Lovable AI's suite of tools. Lovable AI offers a range of customizable templates and features specific to various AI applications, making it easy to align the tools with your program's goals. Familiarize yourself with these tools and consider what each one brings to the table. Add and adjust these functionalities to match the objectives you've outlined, ensuring they work cohesively within your program's framework. Now let's move on to integrating external services that your AI program might depend on. Head over to the API Key Integration section in Lovable AI. Here you have the ability to add API keys for external services that can further enhance your program's functionality. These services could range from data analytics platforms to machine learning services. Whatever complements your project's goals, you'll need to obtain API keys from these external services. Once you've got the keys, plug them into the designated areas within the Lovable AI platform. This integration process is crucial. It allows your AI program to leverage external resources efficiently, adding layers of functionality and depth to your system. After integrating your APIs, it's essential to configure your program properly. This means setting up your project to utilize these APIs to their full potential. Make sure the communication between your AI tool and the external services is smooth and efficient. Review the documentation provided by the services you're using to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Next, it's time to test your program's automated workflows. Testing is key to confirm that everything is operating smoothly. Run through various scenarios, checking for bugs and any operational hiccups. Troubleshoot and refine as necessary to make sure your workflows are seamless and reliable. This step is vital in ensuring reliability before full deployment. Finally, once you're satisfied with the results of your testing, it's time to deploy your AI program. Deploy it through Lovable AI's deployment tools. Once it's live, don't forget to monitor its performance regularly. This will help you identify any issues early on and allow you to make continuous improvements. Regular monitoring ensures your program runs efficiently and continues to meet its intended goals. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating and deploying an AI program using Lovable AI. Thanks for watching, and have